Well, you don't know, Ricky Shop here, Epic.
Doing it for us.
Yeah, and today we're just gonna go on Utech campus. I'm gonna ask various questions. Epic, what we ask them say?
Yeah, we are gonna speak for them now. I know you have some girl that claims to them a wife yet when their man cheat, them go on Facebook and what them do? Them cuss out their mate. So what we want to know? We want to find out so why them cuss their mate and their man are doing problem here. So let's see what people are saying in the street.
Yeah man, so you just follow in the street and we ask questions. Alright.
That's our perspective, but it doesn't. From my perspective, as I said before, I guess it's because they just say, my man, me not left him for no girl and whatever. So them target the girl, thinking that if I go after the girl, she'll leave the guy alone.
For me personally, only way I would have load up on a matey is if she passed her place. Like, she called the phone and we answer, and then she go load up, still have asked, who this, where I go on it there. And then she only for herself known, of course. May I find her? But they attack the one.
Some man just have it good, you see me? They now don't want to share the goodness. You get me? As a they rather want the other girl, but they now don't want to lose the goodness from the man. You see me? Just basically that, you know. If the man deal with it right, you see me? And the next girl will get a piece of the goodness. She don't want the girl. She not going to share it. She not going to share it. Don't you attack him and beat him?
Yeah, some women push it. And some women weak, and some men weak to women too. Them can't say that because it's some women really call and them ring them your man phone. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it always back to respect still, but me personally I come up my one. Of course, you know what get mad, but if the girl pass her place, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna blame the woman outright. But if I'm a friend, she forget blame. She forget blame. Yeah, I'm gonna be exactly. For your friend, you beat your friend the girl more. You tie up the whatever you beat the swat him, give a fine ass. You know rush. You don't get pity for none of them. You're not
but basically I talk for the girl they want to do it because we know it. Well, we can people talk for myself, we know do it. Me would have blame the man. Not blame the mate to them, I know the mate to them, we just them the man will look them so and immediately so that's what I mean because it immediately them and they will so me not blame the mate. Me know my girls. Yes.
If your fiance, whoever you're with, is cheating on you, then the ignorance would result in the person.
I don't know why. Well, maybe because some female have a self-esteem problem. So, like when they find out who that mate is or who that girl is, they feel the need, you know, attacking the girl makes them feel better.
So they feel threatened?
Yes, maybe by the threat. They would want to attack the matey, but I would personally advise them to take that up with their spouse because he's the one who should be loyal to you. Like,
if he can't show the level of respect.
exactly, so you would then take it up with him. However, no, the only attack when I try to attack somebody is if she then first try to attack me because the arguments should really be with the man you're involved with.
We don't blame, I'm not gonna lie. Personally, I don't blame the woman unless the woman is definitely knows him of a girl and the woman is definitely know him girl. Then I go blame her. But for my man I get beaten first, he might get blamed first.
Why woman do that?
We not blame no mates. It's not blame no mates.
But typical Jamaican ladies find me and post her out and
go on Facebook, post about the status about our man the one, this girl and this girl.
But her man is still having sex with this girl.
Exactly.
So we want to really find out why women
have the mentality that and the man want the woman and the woman want the man and the man now gonna resist. So really the woman to get beat because she put herself in the position for her man fall to love.
You're supposed to blame the boyfriend. If the boyfriend never did want cheating, could go. Alright, typically Jamaicans will say that man weak and man cannot control their whatever, but I think that is a lie. Yes, but no matter how somebody a push up for you, and if you have, say for example, you have a girlfriend or a wife at home, you're supposed to can control that part of you.
No, it's what them. It's
tell them for them because sometimes the girl them know, the mates them know what they do it and them know the wife wants it for and them feel well and
at the same time,
that's when them extra because some of them will want to take your wife. Me not wrong.
Thank you.
Mate is never to be blamed. The husband or the man forget all of the blame because I him wrong. I never, the girl come look him and him go look the girl and him go to.
That is true, but you have someone, you can't lie, you have someone who knows.
Any wifey will blame matey, them to get big stone, but you can never blame a woman, blame a man. I know the woman is already there with a man is there with you, put a leash for a man and make him know say wrong.
Well, you don't have it now. Yeah. It depends on the female.
Depends on the female.
If you're your best friend, if you talk about them, you subtract your best friend and subtract the guy. If you just the guy and you don't know the girl, you know target the girl.
But most
of them want to do that, I guess, because them insecure and I'm not a self-esteem, I guess. I don't know. There's no point defending the girl. Yeah.
That is just done. I'm sorry. You're lowering yourself. Them are lower them standards. You not see me do that. That is just big and done. May I try to find a nice word for go up on camera to describe them. Done is too. But that's very nice compared to what I've never done that.
Me search my man phone and she said, send me a paragraph. When me don't pay him nobody, copy and paste the paragraph and send it about 50 girls. So, and the 50 girls me forgot to beat him. No, but waiting him asleep. And just doing things that I'm sleep. I said, why me forgot make embarrass myself on Facebook? Why me do that? Man to get beaten.
Yo, just come out for the street. I was just walking on campus and there are so many different things we found though. One,
some people are say yo, the girl them insecure. Some people are say yo, them do it because them don't want them lose the benefits, so them want to give them. You see me, so no matter the mate, so the mate stop getting benefits. Good stuff. Yeah, some people are say.
Somebody must say yo, the girl afraid of the man. Say yo, them afraid the man beat them. You see me, somebody must say yo, the girl just stupid. She lack education.
Yeah, some good girls out there who just say that. I mean, they won't attack the female first. They will just attack the boyfriend and try to sort out the situation without going viral on various social medias and stuff like that. So this is not them, so to speak.
And some people say it can't happen to them. They just have bugger things them.
Never have mate yet.
You see me? They don't have no mate.
Some of them single still. They not no man for that go on to quit.
But them still way in.
But them still show them voice.
Some of the man them too. I say yo, the girl them mad up at her head part there. You see me? So we don't know what go on.
Just a bugger things. So I know what you feel about the topic. So just like, share,
subscribe.
You see me? I make you know what go on.
Epicflows JA.
Epicflows.
Danny Frost.